everyone. Let me clean the lens here with my finger. We're going to the elevator right now. We got some corn. We're gonna get it moisture tested. We got StrongFarms lowest employee right here.
CEO founder.
Not even close, but as you guys can see, we're wearing our Walkabout Mother Bin hats. We won a raffle drawing thing. It's got one of the spinny deals, and got a couple hats, got a moisture tester. Oop. Carson's out over there. Not sure if you can see him very well, but yeah, he's running tractor for the first part of the morning. Mom's in the grain cart, Dad's in the combine like normal, so update of last night, or depending on how I schedule the videos, could be last week's video. The grain dryer, we were having issues with that jump auger going from the bulk bin to the dryer itself. We got that figured out, had an electrician come out, and I talked to Dad about it a little bit, something about, dude switched, like some fuse or something went out. It was done in like 10 minutes, but back up and running, so far good. Yeah, so far so good with that. What else, anything you can think of? No? Except for the adjustable steering. Yee! Oh, gee. We about died. But yeah, I'll bring you guys back when something interesting's happening. But yeah, so dryer's back up and running. We're pulling wet corn, and we're testing. We'll see how it goes.
Oh.
You know we're rocking them dual tanks. Country boys only. This thing's dirty. She needs a bath. Taking a Pepsi and the ticket for the moisture to Dad out here. We got Mama coming.
Thanks, kiddo.
Oh yeah! Papa StrongFarms right there. Good old delivery. We got Mom, she's waving. I don't know if we'll be able to see. Oh, she's honking too. But yeah, so trying to pull as many acres as we can. It's Saturday midday right now. And I think Monday, there's supposed to be some sort of precipitation. Whether that be rain or snow, not sure yet. It's probably like 40 degrees right now, so we're not expecting too much snow unless it gets colder, but there's that possibility, so me and Coobs are gonna head home. His girlfriend, she took our dog to town to get washed. She's gonna be bringing, or fiance now. StrongFarms wedding coming soon, so. Oh, yeah. Oh my God, I gotta get that fixed.
Allison's on the phone.
Yee-yee.
Allison, you're in the video.
Ah. Say it again. Yee-yee. Yee-yee.
All right.
We got the farm dog. All right, we got the 1066 up and running for the auger to start dumping the corn here. We're gonna be working right across the field. Going to check the dryer. See what Glenn's up to. It did?
Yeah.
Going to check up there. Apparently the dryer shut off. See, while he's getting that back up and running, let's go take a look at what's still hibernating. So I got the 500 in here, the 190. We got the lovely bird scaring light. Griffin should be coming down the road here shortly. He was finishing up with a load up at the other property. He should be coming at some point. Not sure though. Alright, gotta go pick up Mama StrongFarms in the good old trusty red Ford. I'll take you guys along with me. Trusty sidekick. Alright, here we are driving. Sweet Iowa sunset. There's Mama StrongFarms, ready to be picked up to go figure out what's going on with this dryer. Here comes Griffin down the road. Yeet! What do you gotta say?
Yee.
Got word that the dryer stopped working.
Yee.
Walkabout mother bins. So I came to catch a ride with your pa, and he said the dryer kicked off.
Yeah.
I was unloading at the other site.
Fine.
Are you just gonna tap, right? Just to see the hollowness of each thing. Mama and Papa StrongFarms getting in the combine. Griffin and I going to get in the
275.
275. It's hard to tell from this angle. Got all the lights on for the night for when the sun goes down. If it ain't red, it goes in the shed. This is the field we're gonna be working in. This dang dog followed us. He went under the road through the culvert. Uh-oh, Mama StrongFarms saw that. She sees him now. Uh-oh, he's gonna get yelled at. both been to watch this.
Should have brought gloves. I wasn't thinking. Hope you guys can hear me. There's a lot going on out here, but yeah, I did not bring any gloves. This is a bad idea. Just turned the corn on down there, so. Whee. Well, this load's definitely gonna fit. Not sure if we'll run another one. We might just get all the wagons and the grain cart loaded and then go throughout the night, because there's no point in doing a half load really. It's not worth risking it and potentially overflowing the bin if you aren't careful. So we'll probably cut it after this load, finish what we can in the field, and then everybody retreats here to celebrate Carson's birthday. So.
Unit. Is your house 64 degrees?
Just put corn through it a couple times.
We're gonna send her. Well guys, this is where we're gonna wrap up our video. I hope you liked the video if you enjoyed. Subscribe to the channel if you want to see more of the Strong Farms adventures, and put your post notifications on so you never miss another upload. Hope you guys have a great Christmas or whatever holiday you celebrate, and have a good night.